Once you've created the initial plan set, you then create your sheet sets. Now, if I was to close this dialog box actually opened up once I started and created the plan set from the previous video. If I closed it, I could just go on to here and say create sheet set. So if I was to cancel, I can click on create sheet set, select the plan set that I want these sheet sets to be created in. I can give my sheet set a name, so maybe this happens to be my plan and profile sheets. So I'll go ahead and enter that name in, and then you set the sheet set type. So what is the type of the sheet set? Is it a custom sheet set that you can create your title sheets? You can create any sheet really that has a title block on it. Whether it's a detail sheet, a note sheet, or a cover sheet, or it could be a plan grid or a profile. So the profile in this case would be my plan and profile sheet that I'm going to create. And then you can set up your paper size, set your orientation, and then choose the corridor that may be applied to this particular plan and profile sheet, or this plan and profile sheet set. What this is going to do once you create the sheet set is you're going to be able to build the sheets, and it will automatically cut up your sheet, your plan and profile views onto the multiple sheets that you need to fit on a 22 by 34 piece of paper in this case.